In the last year, Nevada Energy increased your rates by 20%. This July and August, they temporarily reduced that by 2.9%, which is still a 17% increase from July and August. But on September 1st, it'll go back to the 20% increase. And there's already proposed rate increase for January of 2024. So rates are up at an all-time high, and they continue to go up. Even though there's a small amount of relief in July and August, you'll still be paying 17% more this summer than you did last summer. Now, you're going to say, well, of course, the solar guy's telling us this because he wants to sell us solar. Well, it's a fact that you're paying more for energy than you ever have. Open your bills, look at your projected bills, and you'll see that you're paying a lot more for energy than you ever had. And my goal is to help you stop that bleed. When you go solar, you're not saying yes to solar. You're saying no to the utility company charging you fees, rental fees, delivery charges, uncontrollable charges. Look, you have zero control over your utility option. They send you a bill and you pay it if you want power. Now, we all need power, so it is a necessary evil, but you don't have to buy it the way that you're buying it right now and the way that we always have. When you go solar, there's no cost out of pocket, $0 out of your bank account at all, nothing. Once it's installed, instead of sending Nevada Energy that uncontrolled rent payment, you take that same allocated fund that was going to go to them for rent, to rent power, and you're going to put a smaller portion of that, because it's less, into a bucket that you get to own. It has equity. It has end game. So not only do you get to keep more of that allocated fund every month, so you get to keep more of it every month, and then the money that does go out is now going into something that comes back to you. It's a smarter play. So I always tell my homeowners, when you say no to solar, what you're saying is yes to renting energy, yes to renting from Nevada Power, yes to renting from APS, yes to renting from Edison, yes to renting from Duke. Stop renting energy on a plan that gives you nothing in return. How much have you paid to your utility provider? 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, $50,000 over your lifespan? And what do you get back for it? Nothing. When you go solar, you're taking that same allocated fund and you're putting it into something that's smarter. It's an investment. It's an asset, not a liability. So if you want to stop the bleed with Nevada Energy, if you want to stop paying through your teeth into a fund that you have no control over, look up energyupsolar.com. We offer complimentary reports. We will help you reduce your energy costs from day one. You will never see another rate increase, and you will own your power plant the way that you own your home. Look up energyupsolar.com if you want to stop getting hammered with rates. energyupsolar.com. We'd love to help you.